Yeah.
Do it
I
one more
write
time. I want to hear.
I write it on Facebook today. Same. Because it's like he's trying to die.
It's a guy from
This,
Mexico.
yeah, I don't know where he
I
was
want
from.
to hear. I want to hear. Do it again.
It's nothing
And you
about
thought-
this man because he was louder.
He was-
Louder.
He was louder.
I promise you, it was like.
And you thought he was gonna die.
Yeah.
You thought he was
No,
dying.
I think this guy's dying. And then I go to this guy and make my kiss. Okay.
You like to see the mirror. He's still breathing? Okay.
And he was sleeping.
He was sleeping like that.
Yes.
That's ridiculous.